Why are you far away from me? You need to come close. I miss you. You need to touch me. Come here.
My prince, I can see you only value me when you want to use me to satisfy your lustful desires. Indeed, I am your sex toy.
And what does that mean?
Who was that lady you commanded me to serve and spoke to me in her presence without regard?
Afoma, that you and I have something going on. Should that make you forget who you are in this palace?
Oh, my prince, please spare me. What I was to you before doesn't matter. What I am to you now counts. And you should accord me some respect while talking to me in front of commoners and strangers.
I think I understand you. And I'm sorry. I apologize for making you feel bad. Can you smile for the prince now? Come here. I'm sorry. Listen, I apologize for that, okay? I don't want to make you feel bad.
It's okay, my Prince Charming.
Yeah.
That's more like it. Thank you for making me part of royalty.
So tell me, what would you like I do for you? What do you want?
I want you.
You want me? Okay, I know you want me, but what else do you want?
Just you.
Just me? Wow.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.